In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wi-Fi on HP NV6055E. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this specific model of HP printer or any other printer within the NV model line, then you can follow the instructions in this video to set up a Wi-Fi connection. First, if you look at the back of the printer, you will have the power button, and right below it, you will see this circular button. This button refers to Wi-Fi. So in order to set up a Wi-Fi network within this printer, use this button. And you will also need the HP Smart app. You can find it available on the Play Store or the App Store for mobile devices, or you can download it usually from the Microsoft Store on a PC or a laptop. I'm going to be showing this process being done on a PC, but you can absolutely follow along on mobile. When you open the app, choose the option to add a printer, or look for the plus icon like you see here. Once you click this plus icon, you will be guided through the process. Your HP printer should appear on this list automatically as long as you press the Wi-Fi button at the back of the printer like I displayed here. So press and hold this button until you see these lights at the front begin flashing. So they will flash slowly, indicating that Wi-Fi has now been enabled on this printer. Once you select the printer from this list, you can proceed by entering the Wi-Fi password. So it's going to automatically choose the network that you are connected to in this device, and then you input the password. Choose connect, and it will go through the setup process. At this point, you don't really have to do anything else. Wait for the process to finish, and if you encounter any problems midway through, just follow the instructions. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.